Hey everyone, welcome to Homestead and Hustle. Today I'm doing some chores in the turkey coop and the chicken coop. It's pretty hot already this morning, but it's the first day in a long time I haven't been suffering with my allergies, so it's a good day then. So let's go to the turkey coop first and see what's going on in there. Looks like the ducks are enjoying their morning in the pond. Curious about Fergie. I've never heard her little Yorkie. I've never brought her in here. She doesn't want him near her. They're used to seeing the German Shepherds around, but of course I don't bring the German Shepherds inside. But they're curious about Fergie. You don't like those turkeys, Fergie? Huh? I've never brought you in here before. Bringing in their daily greens. That takes care of the turkeys. Now to the chicken coop. Today I just need to clean out some nesting boxes and collect the eggs. We still have a lot of broody hens, but we're trying to break the hens of being broody right now because we're just not getting a lot of chicks this year, and it's kind of wasting our eggs. So we're going to kind of put a stop to the broody hens, probably let one more hatch out some eggs, and to kind of let that be it for the year. So anyway, let's see what's going on in the coop. Guys, look at this egg. There's no shell. I've only seen like 3 of these since we've been raising chickens, and we've been raising chickens since 2015, and this is only like the 3rd one I guess I've seen that doesn't have a shell. It's weird. So strange. Soft it is. It has a yolk in it, but it's just it has a yolk. It's just very soft. See, it doesn't have a shell. So very interesting. That's usually a sign of lack of calcium, which I'm not really understanding why this one has a lack of calcium, because they get calcium every day. So unless she's just chosen not to eat any. So anyway, that's just weird, but I'm not going to use this egg. Two hens wanting the same nest. She's decided it's going to be hers. Everybody's so broody this year. I'm actually cleaning out all the nesting boxes, putting fresh hay down for them all. Put some fresh hay in here. Just need to be cleaned out. Clean out and start over. And these two are going to duke it out, I guess, over this nesting box. Gotta break the eggs. You're gonna break the eggs. Oh. How come you can't get your own nest? There's only eggs in that one. I already took them out. So you can enjoy. You're welcome. A teeny little mouse. Let's see how big it is. Well, those chickens will eat mice, and they will eat small snakes and frogs. I've seen them eat it all. So never dull here on the homestead. Thank you for joining me today, and we will see you next time, and God bless.